Among order picking installations that work according to the operator-to-goods principle, live storage for cartons as well as for pallets is on the increase. Higher investment costs are more than compensated for by improvements in efficiency. Separate working aisles ensure that order pickers are not disturbed by stock replenishment. All storage units move continuously and unassisted to the picking position. This ensures constant availability of goods. Compared to conventional shelving and racking, not only drastic time savings between 40 and 70% in travel time, but also reductions of up to 30% in occupied floor space make BITO Carton Live Storage a very compact and economic solution for a wide range of applications. Storage according to the first-in, first-out principle facilitates control of sell-by dates and production batches. The compact and clear presentation of goods leads to improved accuracy in picking. Straight replenishment and picking routes allow an excellent overview of all product lines on stock. Lacking items can be replenished immediately. This results in a considerable increase in picking productivity. The robust components of the frame construction guarantee structural safety and rigidity both lengthwise and front to back. Heavy-duty shelving and racking components allow the installation of a pallet buffer stock on top of the levels and maximum use of the available headroom. The boltless flow shelf system allows flexible adaptation to very different warehouse and order picking requirements. With the same components, flow shelves can be modified to carry other load capacities and to accommodate different types and sizes of storage units. Different flow shelf types and their optimum combination help to create an ergonomic picking face which takes account of the order picker's natural picking curve. The installation of powered and non-driven roller conveyors for the transfer of goods gives optimum support to the operators. Different types of roller tracks and dividers have been designed for optimum adaptation of the lane width to the goods to be stored. Smoothly operating rollers and narrow pitches guarantee a good start for the storage goods at the replenishment side and ensure trouble-free travelling to the picking side. If loads of a different size have to be stored, the universal divider allows fast and easy readjustment of the lane width without tools and, above all, without having to change the roller track position. BITO flow shelves also fit into existing storage environments. With the help of upright adapter sections, flow shelves can simply be located into any standard pallet racking available on the market. The mobile flow shelf racking unit has especially been designed for material supply in VDA KLT containers. The lanes are subdivided with push-flat guide rails. Their position is adapted to the container-based segmentation and allows long-side as well as short-side container handling. By pushing the guide rails flat, it's also possible to use cartons and different types of bins and containers with a non-segmented base. Constant availability of goods, unassisted goods flow to the picking face, convenient and time-saving order picking, constant reference monitoring due to storage according to the FIFO principle, straight servicing routes for a better overview, thus reducing lost time on account of items lacking, make the flexible Carton Live Storage System particularly efficient. Robust components and useful accessories allow an optimum adaptation to the goods on stock. The system's compatibility with other shelving and racking systems, as well as the possibility of integration into data-based warehouse management systems such as pick-to-light or automated servicing, contain further streamlining potential for your material flow.